Are you? What are you doing to her, Zai?
She's burying my feet.
She's burying your feet?
Yeah, but she's taking it out.
Oh, boy.
I'm taking it out.
Oh, goodness. And what happened to poor Peppa? She got
Yeah,
torn.
you turned it up.
We have torn Peppa.
Exactly.
Yes, it's torn. We need to, you know what? I can tape it since it's just torn like that. Tariq did a good job coloring for you. I'll put some tape on it for you. Okay, Zai? I'll put some tape on it and fix it up. And make it all better, okay?
It's me! Mom, it's me. I can fix it.
You can fix it?
It's me.
You can fix it? Good girl. Good girl. Zai's trying to put some tape on Peppa Pig. She's sad. She wants it fixed up.
I fix.
Fix it?
No, it's a fix. I want to play with these in the basket.
Yeah. Go get some.
Peppa's broke.
Well, what happened to Peppa? Somebody ripped it.
Yes.
Ripped Peppa. Here, you want to put some tape on Peppa?
I want to put some along.
Okay, start with a little piece at a time. Get it together. And then I will give you a couple of pieces at a time.
Okay.
Can you put it right in the middle? Good job. Okay, here's another piece. See? And she likes when you color her pages. That's good work. It's a longer piece. See? What time is it? Oh goodness, it's almost 7. I need to go and get dinner cooked up. What is your dad doing? He's still watching a movie? What's he watching? Transformers?
Yep, he paused it. So I should go play.
So you can go play? Maybe I should go in there in the bed and watch it with him.
He said he's not bored.
He's not bored?
No.
Do you think he misses me?
He does.
He doesn't? He told me he missed me. Here. Does he miss me, Zai?
Zai, look. Zai, look, Peppa.
Let me see Peppa. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you fixed Peppa. Good job. Go ask him if he misses me. And I bet you he'll tell you yes.
Mr. Peppa.
He's so silly. Mr. Peppa? He was actually going in there to ask. See, I can hear him all the way in here. He said yes. I heard him. Oh my gosh. My kids are so silly.
What?
Come here, Tariq.
Yeah. Yeah. What?
Not what. Yes. What did he say?
He said he does.
He does miss me. I told you.
I smell dinner.
You smell dinner? That's funny because I haven't started cooking yet. You want to make some chicken fajitas for dinner? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Open it up. Ow, that was a... Ow!
Are you being nice?
Yeah.
Is this just like throw the blocks around the room day? Zai, should we make you some cupcakes?
Yeah, we wanna make it,
Cupcakes.
We wanna make her lemon cupcakes.
Lemon cupcakes?
Yes. Because we love lemon.
Because we love lemon. Well, but
We
it's
do.
for her birthday. Because we still haven't given her any cake yet. Today, the 14th. Sorry, your birthday was yesterday, huh? Yeah.
Here's I.
Uh-oh, sounds like somebody's in trouble.
There.
And who's in trouble?
Lila.
You think? Zion, how old are you?
She's 2.
Show me how old you are.
That
24?
months.
24?
Months.
Good job. 1,
Months.
2. Show me 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What did your dad give you? Come here. Let me see.
Hard meat at 2 weeks.
What did he give you?
It's hard meat.
Hard meat. Oh, beef jerky, huh?
Beef jerky.
Hard meat. That's...
Mom, they was being mean to me, and she told me to put my scooter back.
Oh, goodness. Layla was bitten. That's what y'all were in there fighting about?
Yeah.
And how did that make you feel?
It made me sad.
Oh, no. What did your dad tell her?
He told her to go play.
Go play.
Yeah.
Go give me a piece. Thank you. You want to take the camera in the room? It's dark. It's going to be dark if I go down the hall. Thank you. You want to go get some beef jerky? Here. Get that piece. You can't eat a really big piece. Here. Here. If I go down the hall, it's going to be dark.
It's going to be dark?
Until I get to the room. I'm going to take the camera down the hall.
I'm going to take it.
Yep. Drop it. It's so dark in here. Oh, God. What are you eating?
Beef jerky.
I said, what are you eating?
Beef jerky.
Can I have some? Tariq said you didn't miss me.
I said I did miss you.
I know, I told him you did. Well, this is dinner right here. We don't need to eat this. Right? Here comes I.
My little piece she got.
I know, she tried to take the big piece Leah gave me.
Here you go, big girl.
Oh, I gave her a smaller piece than that one. She ate it, I guess.
I'll show you that.
Who said bring Legos in my room?
Zion.
Gosh, y'all in those Legos, they're everywhere.
Now you go put those.
What are you watching?
He's watching Transformers.
What are you watching?
Transformers.
So nobody's in the living room. Where's Layla? Layla's watching TV.
Yep, she's watching mine. Yes, she's mad.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah. What did she do? Leah said she was being mean to her.
Tariq. Tariq.
Yes.
Go get us to Layla. And cheer her up.
Let me see how y'all eat that stuff like that. I said, let me see how y'all eat that stuff like that.
Like what?
After a couple pieces, like,
I could eat a couple bags. Here.
I know, 'cause you're greedy. Sheets are done. Is the dryer still going, Tariq?
What?
Is the dryer still going? No.
I don't think so. I just went to the bathroom.
Make the bed up.
Yes,
It is. It sounds like it is.
yeah, but not the wash machine.
No, the sheets are in the dryer and make the bed. What are you doing? Look, what is that?
So,
Strawberry?
yeah, it's a strawberry teapot.
I see all kinds of stuff in here. I'll just keep stuff in here. This room needs to be cleaned up. You put it together. Good job. What are you making?
A transformer. A transformer. I'm gonna go get the.
Should have guessed.
I'm gonna go get the blue car. Look. Something's outside. I heard it.
You heard something outside. Well, we're not gonna open the door because it's cold.
Let's go back.
Where are you going, miss? Hey, where did everybody go? Zai. Coming. Okay. You coming? Leah. Hi, Zai. Be careful. Come on. Watch out, Tariq. Now, where are you going with Scooter?
I'm here. I want to use it.
You want to use it? Okay.
That is a circle. She has the car. Go get this. Go get it's running over your foot. I got this. I'm still taking a picture.
Yeah, Zai. Ow.
Please.
Yeah, it's got a surgery. You rolling that scooter on my foot, chick.
Stop. She's not chick.
She is a chick. Y'all can get that stuff out
What
of here.
does that mean?
A girl.
This is a girl.
You can see all this stuff all over my floor. You gonna help me clean the room?
Yes. I see Tweaking with these labels.
What happened to that kitchen food that was in here? And why are you putting your finger on the camera? Nobody wants to see your finger.
That was Tweak. I see your finger.
Let me see. This a transformer?
Yes. Take a picture.
Oh, there's Layla. Side. I mean, Leah, move your foot. I mean, your hand. Get the scooter. Hi, Layla.
There's some mommy's your cheese.
Cheese. What you watching?
Transformers.
In the living room.
Oh, sweetie. Miles.
Miles. Oh.
Okay.
It's all gone. Well, that was dinner.
Come. I
That was your dinner?
Yeah.
See, Therese said yes. I like them. I told him last night, go make me something to eat. Didn't I tell you to go cook last night? And what happened? When you were in the shower, Zion went in the room and came back with the plate of kitchen food. She was like, here. She had, what did she have on there? Baked potatoes, spaghetti, and a piece of pineapple. So then they went in there to go get the, to bring me food.
We went in there to bring veggies.
Yeah, veggies. It's a smart little baby, huh? At least she was trying to cook.
No, the baby, she's a big.
Oh, well, yes, a smart little big girl.
Glass is broken.
Glass is broken. That's for a Passy. It's not for glasses. Yeah, that was for old Passy, but we don't need it. Yes, you are a smart little big girl. Man, seriously, y'all got shoes in here, y'all got toys in here. Are you in this scooter? And you are just determined to put your finger. We can see your finger.
Mom, when we go fast, it rides bells.
Bless you.
Why do scooters ride bells?
Bells?
Yes.
So that people know that you're coming.
That's mine.
Yes.
Oh.
Right.
Can you make some spaghetti?
No spaghetti tonight. I'm making fajitas.
What?
Chicken fajitas. You know, chicken and tortillas?
Yes.
I'll put a little cheese on it for you.
Yeah.
Okay. In a few minutes, I'll start cooking
That
dinner.
was Yeti did. She did her scooter.
Alright, you want to take your scooter so I can get up?
Look what I made, Mom.
I see.
It's a tree.
Let me see your tree. Oh, very nice. I like that. Is it a chicka chicka boom boom coconut tree?
No.
No? Now, why is my shoe in here?
It's a dinosaur tree.
Oh, a dinosaur tree.
Yes. I'm gonna be gone.
Where are you going with that scooter, Layla? Go to the living room. Why are y'all bringing those scooters in my room?
I'm gone.
Take it in the living room.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm hiding.
You're hiding?
Yes.
So you went from
Yeah.
Transformers to dinosaur trees. You just love Legos.
I locked it. Yes, I locked it. Yes, I locked it.
No, now you're locking the door. Okay, I want to drop this.
Yes, lock it.
Let's lock it. Let's unlock it.
I can reach it. Me?
Yes.
It's inside lock it.
You locked my door.
Oh.
Are we stuck?
No.
No. Watch out, Zai. Come on this side. So you don't get your fingers pinched. Come here. You can lock it after I leave the room. Are you having a fit?
There's a transformer head right here.
Here, Leah, come over here so I can get out. Watch out, because I don't want to trip up. It's getting dark again. Alright, guys. Ooh, I'm out of the abyss. Out of the abyss. Now back into this mess. Oh, goodness. So you guys can see. This is the weekend. I am not have not cleaned up anything today. Just been trying to relax, but I'll have them pick this stuff up before or while I'm cooking dinner. That way it's just not all over the floor, because I cannot. When I get up in the morning, this is where I come to write, and I just don't like, it's not really bad like it is some days, but I don't like anything on the floor that just kind of takes away from my morning when I see it just laid out on the floor like this. So my fault is the box still up there from the haul yesterday. So I need to take that stuff back and put it away. That box is heavy. What else? I don't know. What else have I been in here doing? Not much. Not much of anything. Just hanging out today. Really try to relax. Oh, excuse me. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, it is now, what time is it? Let's see where I'm at. It's 7:14. 11:14, how weird. But yeah. So I am going to cut this, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this little evening in the life around here. Not too much going on, but chaotic. So this is what they do: watch movies and eat hard meat. My kids. Hard meat is beef jerky, guys. That's just what they call it. But that's what Dad does. Gives them beef jerky. So whatever keeps them quiet. Anywho, I will see you guys. Oh, I need to check some messages in tomorrow's vlog.